If your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera button suddenly stops working, don't panic. You press the camera button, but nothing happens. The camera doesn't open, and it feels completely broken. Before you think your phone has a hardware problem, there's a simple setting that might be causing this. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera button on your iPhone in less than a minute. The camera button on the iPhone can sometimes stop responding because the feature is disabled in settings, or another function is assigned to the button. So the first thing you should do is check the button configuration, where this setting is. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Camera. Inside the camera settings, look for Camera button or Camera Control. Tap on it. Here you will see the option that Launch Camera, with the camera button by default selected None. Make sure the Press to Open Camera option is turned on. If it's turned off, your camera button will not launch the camera. Also check the double press action and make sure it is set to Open Camera instead of another feature. If everything is already enabled, try turning the option off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it on again. This refreshes the button configuration and often fixes the issue instantly. If the button still doesn't respond, simply restart your iPhone. Many temporary iOS glitches disappear after a quick restart.